Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change name in Facebook. Friends, if you want to change your profile name on Facebook, then you need to open your Facebook app. Now here you need to press on three lines. Now press on settings and privacy. Press on settings. Now here press on account center. In account center you need to press on profile and personal details. Now here you need to select your Facebook profile. Now to change name you need to press on name. Now here you can change your name, like if you want to add middle name or want to add something to your name, then here you can do it. But one thing you need to note that once you change the name, you will not be able to change your name again up to 60 days. So be careful while entering your name. If you made some mistake, then your change name will continue up to 60 days, and after 60 days you will be able to change your name again. So after doing the required changes, press on review changes. As I don't want to change my name, so I am not pressing review change. So friends, like this you can very easily change your Facebook name. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.